Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can get this fire mutated brain rots in Escape Tsunami for brain rots. So this is like a pretty new mutations in the game, and I'm going to show you how you can get it. So to easily get this fire mutated brain rots, you can just explore the area and find a block, a fire mutated block like this. So you can get it easily in the game. You can just find it in every area. So I found it in the common area in here. So what you need to do here, just grab it and go to the save base in here, and you can just unlock it. So let's see what's inside. So let's see what we got in here. So I just got the PPQE in fire mutations. So guys, that's how you can get the brain rots with fire mutation or fire mutated brain rocks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.